We felt like we could trust them and just put everything in their hands and that they would get us a great product. And then it's done and it just feels like it's how it should have always been. Like it just like, this is what kitchen we should have. When we moved in 9 years ago, we said, oh, we are gonna have to redo this kitchen. You could only have one person in there at a time, and I would get very crabby if anyone entered the kitchen with me, because then they were in my space and in my way.
It didn't spark joy for us.
Last year we went through a health scare that luckily turned out okay, and that kind of gave us a like, let's live, we're healthy and we can do this, and it's like a good way to spend our money. So our designer and Jared came in and they looked around, and the minute I knew it was gonna be okay was that she goes, I can really tell that you really enjoy the outdoors and that your theme is the outdoors. And we were both like, it is? We had no idea that was our theme. And then we looked around and we're like, that is our theme.
We didn't realize we had a personal style.
So the fact she could just like instantaneously hone in on our personal style that we didn't even know felt amazing.
We picked out a lot of things online that we liked the look of, and I was worried that we just had like no coherence to what we were selecting. Like, oh, that looks good, that looks good, that looks good. And we had no idea how a designer was gonna make heads or tails of our preferences, but she did a good job, and she navigated our eclectic preferences and got something that checked all of our boxes.
They gave us a schedule for what was gonna happen every day, and it was amazing. They stuck to that schedule. All the subcontractors they hired and tradespeople they worked with were all fabulous and wonderful and local, which is something we really wanted, and just were true like artisans.
They took pride in their work, and they all treated this house like it was their house.
I thought it'd be weird having people working in our house while we're home, but it wasn't. And they made friends with our cat. We think he really misses them because, you know, he was really into the guys.
This is the thing we show off to our friends when they come over. It does this, and then this stuff comes out.
Another thing we really like is all the like individual inserts that we gotta help kind of pick out, so we can have all of the cooking tools we need here. And then in this one, we have, you know, the tall kind of things in here. Another thing we did was open up this window, which we're super happy we did because it was a much smaller window. And this way now you can just see into the backyard.
The girls' favorite part of the kitchen is the touch-sensitive faucet. So yes. All the lights in here are on dimmers. That's really nice. I like fiddling with the lights to make them just right, so in the evening we can have it dim and moody, and in the mornings we have it bright and wake ourselves up.
But we like have the girls doing homework here, and like I'll be cooking and he'll be, you know, prepping with me or doing dishes. So it feels so much happier and calmer. I've never really been proud to have people over to our house, and now I'm like, ooh, let's have people over so we can show off our kitchen.
It's a really comfortable place, and it's the best, most relaxing part of our house now.
We highly recommend them. We've already told lots of friends that they were great to work with, super easy, and you get a really beautiful kitchen.
I think it's a no-brainer. If you need a new kitchen and you want a high quality result, then I think Thayer is a no-brainer.